ready to turn your meme coin profits into cold, hard cash. First, open your Coinbase wallet and locate the meme coin you want to cash out, like Shiba Inu or Doge. Tap on it to view your balance and transaction history. Next, find the trade or swap button. The exact wording might vary slightly. Tap on it to initiate a swap transaction. Now, select your meme coin in the You Pay section and choose a stablecoin like USDT or USDC. In the You Receive section, stablecoins are pegged to the US dollar, making them easier to convert to fiat. Before confirming, pay close attention to the estimated gas fees. That's the cost of the transaction on the blockchain, and the slippage tolerance, which helps protect you from price fluctuations during the swap. Adjust the slippage tolerance if needed. Review all the transaction details carefully, and if everything looks good, confirm the swap. Be patient. The transaction might take a few minutes to process. Once the swap is complete, open your regular Coinbase app, not the wallet. Select the Receive option and choose the stablecoin you swapped to, for example, USDC. Copy your Coinbase USDC wallet address. Head back to your Coinbase wallet. Select the stablecoin you received, and tap Send. Paste your Coinbase USDC wallet address you just copied and enter the amount you want to transfer. Finally, in your Coinbase app, locate your stablecoin balance and choose to sell or convert to cash. Follow the prompts to link your bank account and withdraw the funds. Remember to factor in potential transaction fees and report any gains on your taxes.